Ever wondered how to create stunning videos in just a minute? Let me show you how with Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of video creation with Canva. If you have ever wanted to make professional looking videos quickly and easily, we are in the right place. I will guide you step by step through the process so you can start creating a catching content that grabs attention. Let's get started. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and videos. With its drag and drop interface, extensive library of templates, images, and fonts, Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible for beginners and professionals alike. It offers a variety of tools for customization, enabling users to create personalized content for various purposes, from marketing to personal projects. So to get started, you have just to sign up and write your email address and your password. This is my account as you can see. Then I will just go to the home page. We have here the home page as you can see to get started with Canva, and you start designing with Canva. So the first thing that you have to do is search about whatever you want. For example, I will search for short video YouTube. So we have here these examples. So I will select firstly all filters. For example, here we have business, social media, education, video, marketing, print, products, cards, and invitation. So about business, as you can see. Then we have here social media. Then we have education, video, marketing, print products. Then we have card and invitation. Then here you select the style that you want. For example, simple, minimalist, colorful, creative, animated. Or you can view more. Then we have your team, business, black, marketing, pink, photo, video, view more. Then we have also language. Also we have a feature, like animation, video, audio. Then we have your grade, subject, also topic, and here we have the price. I will select the free one, and then let's come back. I will select also other things, like I'll select also YouTube videos. Then I will select also the price for free. Then I will click on apply. Once you do that, you will find only the short videos with YouTube, and also it's for free. So for example, I will select this one, and I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. So here we have also other information about Canva. You can just read it to more understand. Then let's come back in the home page, and I will show you how you can design that. And you can also add another page and create your own. So for example, I will change the color firstly. I'll put it black. Also here, I'll put it black. Also here. Then I will just delete this one. I will let it like that. Then I will double thank you. And I will just put right amazing videos. So I will just write here, but firstly I will select the color. What are the size? Like that. We'll also change the color like the amazing videos. Then here we have it. Can also change the size, and then you add whatever you want. You can also add a page and you choose other design, for example here. And also we have elements here. We have frame. If you select this one, we have text. If you want to add a text box, magic white, add a heading, or also add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. And we have also here recently used. Then you have here brand also. If you want to add logos, colors, fonts, then we have uploads. If you record yourself, upload files like videos, images, and audio. Also, we have a draw like that. You can come back, and this is it. So we have your weight, transparency, and that's it. So this is it. Then if you want to drop, also color, border style, transparency, animates, then we have, and also copy style. Once you're done, you click over share and you're done with this creation of short videos. So Canva is very helpful and useful. You can just get started as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to create stunning videos using Canva. Even if you are a complete beginner, remember the key is to experiment and have fun with your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. Happy designing! So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys.